Have a wonderful day, dear students. Today I will explain you in chapter 5 part 2 exploring value. First I will explain the words for the second part, then we will discuss about the chapter. To thrash means to beat, है ना? Hesitate, feel uncertain to speak. We are feeling unable to speak something, to explain something to someone. To squeal, make a long high sound. Okay. Long high sound means to shout, to cry, like that. Agony, extreme physical or mental pain, to give someone pain or irritation. To contradict, to say opposite to someone's view means to argue oppositely. Okay, someone is saying something different and you are also saying some different things on the same topic. It is called contradict, means the argument between you. To burst into tear means to start cry suddenly. This is a phrase, dear students. These are all word meanings and now these two are phrase. Okay, so to burst into the tear, to start cry suddenly means to cry out, cry. And to have half a mind means to be in the mood of irritation, means to make someone irritated, or you are having some half mind about. Now, dear students, you know about the chapter. This is a very nice, quite comedy type of understanding. Some humor is there. Okay, exploring value. This is a story about Swaminathan. I have explained you in the part 1 about the Swaminathan. There was one puzzle given by Swaminathan's father. The puzzle was that nowadays, dear students, you also see about the Tenali Raman and his puzzles. Clear? Now, dear students, see the puzzle. I will explain you again. Rama has 10 mangoes with which he wants to earn 15 annas. Krishna wants only 4 mangoes. How much money will Krishna have to pay? Now here, the question is asked by Swaminathan's father. Okay, and Swaminathan has to solve this puzzle. So, in previous part, I have explained you about the confrontations of the Swaminathan's, that is in his mind about the mangoes were ripe or unripe. And again his father was explaining the same puzzle and helped him to solve, but he was unable to solve it, and the conversation, the scene continues move ahead. Now here I will explain you the another part of the same chapter. Look here, boy, I have half a mind to thrash you. Means his father was completely irritated by his behavior of solving the question. What have you in your head? What is there in your head? 10 mangoes cost 15 annas. What is the price of one? That you find out first. Then you will understand about the 4 mangoes price. Come on, if you do, say it. Do, you can do it. Means his father was encouraging him. At the same time, he was being angry also, because Swaminathan was unable to do the simple sum. His hands took Swaminathan's ear and gently twisted it. Twisting his ear, Swaminathan could not open his mouth because he could not decide whether the solution could be found by addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. The longer he hesitated, the more violent the twist was becoming. In the end, when father was waiting with a scowl for an answer, he received only a squeal from his son. Now here, his father twisted Swaminathan's ear. Tell what will be the solution. But here, Swaminathan was puzzled with what to do with that sum, whether he had to do subtraction, multiplication addition or division. He did not know how to solve it. So he was just shouting, and his father was filling his ear more and more, and he was shouting and crying. This is the way the confrontations held between the father and his son about the puzzle, about the simple arithmetic sum. I am not going to leave you till you tell me how much a single man cost of 15 annas for 10. Now, his father decided. He was in full mood of completing that sum by the Swaminathan. So he didn't leave. What was the matter with father? Now Swaminathan was thinking. He was kept blinking. Where was the urgency to know its price? What is the urgency? Okay. Anyway, if father wanted to know so badly, instead of harassing him, let him go to the market and find it out. Now here, what he was thinking, Swaminathan was thinking that here was not urgency, and if he had urgency, he would go to the market and find out how would the price distributed among one mango. Father admitted defeat by declaring, now he told, one mango cost 15 over 10 annas, simplify it. Here he was being led to most difficult part of arithmetic fraction. Give me the slate, father, I will find out. He walked and found out at the end of 15 minutes. The price of one mango is 3 over 2 annas. He expected to be contradicted any moment. So he was trying to solve that puzzle in the slate, but he found some contradictory with the sum. But father said, very good, simplify it further. Do it more, means he was encouraging continuously to him. It was plain sailing after that. Swaminathan announced at the end of the half an hour's agony, Krishna must pay 6 annas, and burst into the tears. Okay, then he was crying. Finally, he solved the puzzle about the mangoes. Now here, I will also show you about the puzzle. How can you show it? Okay, Rama wanted to buy, Rama wanted to sell 10 mangoes. Okay, he had 10 mangoes. He wanted to earn 10 mangoes. He wanted to earn 15 annas. Okay, now Krishna wanted 4 mangoes. Okay, dear students. Now here you will have to find out the price of 1 mango. Okay. Now 10 mango, 15 anna. So 1 mango, what will be the price? Okay, 1 multiplied by 15 divided by 10 is 1.5 per mango. So for 2 mango, 3 rupees, and for mango there will be 6 rupees. This is the way you also solve this puzzle. This is a very nice numeric lesson about the exploring value. Okay, dear students, now you can also understand about the puzzle. You might have solved so many puzzles. Nowadays, Tenali Raman is also giving you so many puzzles regularly. Okay, now about these chapters, more important things are, I will send you in your WhatsApp group, because there is no any more less things to explain to you. Okay, now last lesson will be there later on, but before that we will solve all this lesson's activities and exercises and everything. Then we will be continuing for the next lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day.